Hey guys, AmandaSushma here and welcome to my channel. If you like this like mauve matte brown look for Valentine's Day or just any day in general, feel free to keep watching to see how I did it. So I'm going with my favorite LA Girl foundation and my Real Techniques beauty sponge that I've had forever and have holes in it from my nails. Don't judge me, it still works. I wash it, it's fine. Just because it has holes in it, it's in like a spot I don't even use. But anyway, what are your plans for Valentine's Day? I don't mean like, you know, with boyfriend or girlfriend, like those are boring, even though that's my plan. Sorry, babe! But do you guys do Galentine's Day or anything? I did Galentine's Day with some friends way back, like a few years ago. Whenever the second 50 Shades of Grey came out, that's when we did Galentine's Day. So we got a bunch of tacos, smuggled it into our purses, and went to watch the 50 Shades of Grey, whichever the second one was. And I know that because I never saw the first one, and this was my first intro to it, and I thought it was like a comedy, like a fan fiction comedy. I don't know, like the guy freaking got into a plane crash and then he just appeared the next like 30 minutes after the plane crash was on television. He just like appeared and walked in like everything was fine. Like, this is like ridiculous. But also, this is coming from someone who really likes to watch Twilight over and over, so I don't know how much weight my opinion holds on movies. Yeah. Please subscribe, loca. Bye. So I'm going in with this LA Girl palette in Downplay. I have two of their palettes, Downplay and Foreplay, and I actually really enjoy the pigmentation it gives. You do have to like put your brush in a little bit more, but when you get enough, it really like comes through, and I just feel like it's inexpensive, but they have really great quality, so definitely worth it in my opinion. I'm kind of just using their neutral eyeshadows as a base right now, and then over top I'm putting this beautiful Morphe palette. I actually got this like 2 years ago for Christmas, and I've only used one shade, really, like a purple shade, which is for like a Halloween look. So I'm like, I'm not gonna throw this away, like it's basically brand new, so let's utilize it. So I'm just putting like a nice brown shade in my crease area. But anyway, back to Twilight. Well, not really Twilight, but Robert Pattinson, he is going to be the new Batman. I don't know if anybody is interested in that. I really am not interested in superhero stuff. I'm not really a Marvel follower or anything like that. I'm like a nostalgic type of person, so I'll be watching like New Girl. Oh, by the way, I'm putting like that purpley color on right now, but you can see it's like not crazy bright. Like if I wanted it to be bright, I could like, you know, spray water on it and get it to pop more, but I'm kind of looking for like a more muted, like dusty, dusky type of vibe, you feel? But anyway, yeah, so he's going to be Batman. Have I seen the Batman movies? No. Am I going to watch this because Robert Pattinson is in it? Yes, but I watched the trailer and I don't know, I guess the hair is obviously, you know, supposed to be like he's like depressed millionaire guy. I don't know. But honestly, I'll just watch anything with like Robert Pattinson or Kristen Stewart just for like seeing them in different roles, and then I'll just binge Twilight. I'll just put it on for the entire weekend if I'm home and just like have that playing and, you know, ruin my brain for the rest of my life. Speaking of cringy vampire shows and movies, does anybody like The Vampire Diaries? I've been listening to a podcast and I watched the entire series. I just wanted it in a different medium, so I was like, I'll listen to a podcast about it. And I remember, who's your favorite character? Mine is definitely Catherine. She's a bad bitch. We love a bad bitch. I feel like I really enjoy the evil characters in shows. Like for Game of Thrones, I really like Cersei. I don't know, I just feel like she stuck to her guns, and the way they ended it, I mean, I don't know if you've seen it or not, I don't know if you care, but the way they ended it with her, it was like true to character. Like she was stubborn and she didn't like do this alliance thing, but she pretended she did. Sorry, spoilers, I mean, it's been out forever. But yeah, so she kind of stuck to her guns and was what you expected. Cersei just was like a really good character who they kept true to her form, basically, is what I'm trying to say. And like Daenerys, like she basically did like a 180 and didn't even stick to her character. Jon Snow, like what the heck was that? I'm sorry, I'm getting like back to my I did not like the season finale just like everybody else, so sorry if you're not interested in that. I really should be talking about what I'm doing. I'm using this brown eyeliner. Oh, there's my cat, she came up behind me. Oh, and this eyeliner, like, I don't know, I'm really bad at pencil liners. I'm much better with liquid liners, but I wanted a really soft look. So I was like really like putting this on nice and thick, and I didn't want to wing it out or anything. I wanted like a really soft look. So I'm going to put this on like really hard, and then I'm going to just kind of smudge it out with a brush. So you'll see me doing that. My favorite thing to do is curling my lashes, because I suck at putting on fake lashes. I'm only good at it during Halloween because I just feel like they're bigger and it's easier to put on, and my eyeliner is so thick for Halloween, like you couldn't tell if I messed up. So I go crazy with curling my lashes to compensate for not having fake lashes, if that makes sense. And then I'm using the Holy Grail, the Great Lash by Maybelline. It just gives a really nice look, and look how like nice and soft everything looks. It's like nice and browny purple, if that makes sense. Mauve, I guess that's what mauve is, right? Every time somebody asks what my favorite color is, I say mauve, just to be a little bit extra. I'm so sorry, I'm going in and out from, did we just talk about Batman and Twilight? I don't know, sorry, so sorry for the chaos of this conversation we're having right now. This is what happens when I have to talk to myself, you feel? And also my eyebrows, I really don't pay attention to them. Like when I do makeup, I just kind of fill them in slightly and get them to be like, you know, the sparse areas are full, and that's really all I do. And then I am going in with this lip liner. I just like terracotta brown colors for my lip liner. And then I'll go in with Mented Cosmetics gloss. I'm in love with this gloss. I decided to try like a new company I've never tried before, and they have not disappointed. I've gotten 2 lip products from them, and then 1 foundation that I'm going to try out and do a video on later. But their gloss, if you're looking for a gloss, this is bomb. It's pigmented, and it really kept my lips very hydrated. Going in with, of course, blush. We love a good blush. I feel like blush just brings you back to life after you put it back on after doing your base and everything. And there are my bangs. I actually cut them myself. In this video they look good, but they don't look that great, so I'm letting them grow out longer now, and then getting my stylist to do it. Honestly, it's free for me to go there and get a bang trim. It's complimentary, but I just was so lazy to drive over there. I was like, let me cut this myself. Yeah, so that's my situation. Anyway, that's about it. I love how this look came out. It was like nice and soft and simple and not, you know, extravagant. Like, I'm not really a glitter girl. I'm just like a matte girl right now at this moment. We all change, but I really like how this came out. Hope you guys have a nice Valentine's Day. Bye!